You have been lied to, not in a dramatic conspiracy theory kind of way, in a quiet, boring, totally legal kind of way. And it's probably cost you thousands of dollars, maybe tens of thousands, without you ever noticing. Today, I'm going to show you 7 things your bank is absolutely counting on you never finding out. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do about it. Let's get into it. Your savings account is a scam. Not literally, but kind of literally. The average big bank savings account right now is paying you somewhere around 0.01% to 0.5% interest. Meanwhile, inflation is running anywhere from 3 to 5%. Do the math. Your money is losing value every single month it sits there. Your bank knows this. They're taking your deposits, lending them out at 7, 8, 9%, and handing you crumbs in return. High-yield savings accounts at online banks. Those are paying 4 to 5%. No fees. FDIC insured. Same protection. There's no reason to keep your emergency fund at Chase or Bank of America right now. None. Overdraft fees are one of the biggest wealth transfers in America. Banks collected over $7 billion in overdraft fees last year. $7 billion. And here's who pays them. It's not rich people. It's people living paycheck to paycheck. People who are already stretched thin, getting hit with a $35 fee on a $12 purchase. What most people don't know is that overdraft protection is optional, and if you call your bank and ask them to remove it, a lot of the time, they will. Your transaction just gets declined instead. That's it. Crisis avoided. Better yet, switch to a bank that has no overdraft fees at all. They exist. Your bank doesn't want you to understand compound interest on their terms. You've heard of compound interest working for you. That's the good version. Invest early, let it grow, retire comfortable. But compound interest works both ways. That credit card with a 22% APR, that interest compounds monthly, sometimes daily. A $5,000 balance at 22%, if you only pay the minimum, takes over 15 years to pay off. And you'll pay almost $7,000 in interest alone. So you borrowed $5,000 and paid back $12,000. Your bank shows you a minimum payment that feels manageable on purpose. They want you to pay the minimum. That's how they make money. The free checking account isn't free. Look at your bank statement right now. Monthly maintenance fee, a TM fee, paper statement fee, inactivity fee, foreign transaction fee. Some people are paying $15 to $25 a month just to have a bank account. That's $180 to $300 a year. For what? The privilege of keeping your money there? Online banks and credit unions offer genuinely free checking. No minimums, no monthly fees. Some even reimburse ATM fees anywhere in the world. This one's an easy fix. It's just that most people never check. Your bank doesn't want you to know about I-bonds and treasury bills. When interest rates go up, which they have, the government starts offering some seriously competitive returns. Treasury bills, I-bonds. These are backed by the U.S. government. They're as safe as it gets. And, for a period of time, they were paying more than most bank savings accounts. Way more. Your bank has no incentive to tell you this. They'd rather you keep your money parked with them at a lower rate. TreasuryDirect.gov. That's the website. You can open an account in about 10 minutes. I'll put a link in the description. Banks profit when you don't negotiate. This one surprises people every time. A lot of bank fees. Negotiable. Late fee on your credit card. If it's your first one, call and ask for a waiver. Most of the time, they'll just remove it. Annual fee on your credit card. Call and ask for a retention offer. They might give you cash back, points, or waive the fee entirely to keep you as a customer. Banks spend a lot of money acquiring customers. They don't want to lose you. Most people just never ask. One phone call can save you $50, $100, sometimes more. Your bank is betting on your inertia. This is the big one, the one that ties everything together. Banks know that switching accounts feels like a hassle, so they're not scared of you watching videos like this one. They're counting on the fact that even after you learn all of this, you won't do anything about it. And statistically, they're usually right. The average American has had the same bank account for 14 years. Meanwhile, the financial landscape has completely changed. Online banks, credit unions, high-yield accounts, fee-free checking. The people who act on this stuff, even just one of these 7 things, are the ones who quietly put thousands of dollars back in their own pockets over the next few years. The people who don't, they fund the bank's next quarterly earnings report. Look, I'm not here to tell you to blow up your entire financial life. You don't have to do all 7 of these things tomorrow, but pick one, just one. Maybe it's opening a high-yield savings account this week. Takes 10 minutes. Maybe it's calling your credit card company about that annual fee. Maybe it's just going through your bank statement for the first time in a while and actually looking at what you're paying. Any one of these moves is worth doing. And the people who do them consistently over time end up in a very different place than the people who don't. If this was useful, I'd love it if you subscribed. I put out videos like this every week. Practical money stuff. No fluff. No get-rich-quick nonsense. And if you've got a topic you want me to cover, drop it in the comments. I read all of them. See you in the next one.